Hey Ray, Dave Cook, DeFranco Finishes, and we're doing some cabinet cleaning. So we did a quick clean on this thing real quick, but one thing we found is we started using this, especially around cabinets. So we've washed these with just a basic cleaner. So I just wanted to spray this on there so you can kind of see the difference right by the stove of what this will make when, well, if you have a kitchen that you're cleaning, one we're cleaning. So again, we cleaned it. The rag, that was all it took off. It wasn't a ton, so I'll get a clean one. So once we start wiping this thing down, you'll really see it. So I'm just using these green Scuff pads. They work really good at getting rid of dirt. And if you're seeing what I'm seeing through the camera, you can see all the grease this stuff cuts through. It is really an amazing product as far as how much it cuts through. So that's how much stuff it took off. And then here's our clean rag. We're just gonna wipe this out afterwards. And there we go. So it really makes a big difference here. Just cleaning the house in general. I can see on that corner there more stuff that's got to come off. I'm glad I had the video on. Kind of shows sometimes what you can't see in different angles. Yeah, that it's some kind of glue, but that's not coming off. Anyway, there's a little video on cleaning cabinets before you paint them, or just cleaning them in general. Spring cleaning stuff works really, really good. Gets off all the grease, all the dirt, all the stuff, especially by your stoves. So, if you got questions about cabinet cleaning, repair, otherwise, you can see all that brown stuff all through here where it's collecting, so it's kind of cool. But if you got questions about painting, wallpaper, give us a call at DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.